Hey guys, it's Amy. So today I'll be teaching YLOC second grade worksheet lesson 8. So it says tally table. Use the tally table to fill in the bar graph. Okay, so for number 1, it says how many more children like soccer than baseball? So we have to find the soccer first, which is right here, and then baseball. So baseball, there's only one tally, so that means 1. And one line equals 1, like 1. Each one tally means 1. And since there's 4 tallies over here for soccer, then there's 4. So it says how many more children like soccer than baseball? So all we have to do is 4 minus 1, and that equals 3. So 3 more children like soccer than baseball. Okay, moving on now to number 4. It says how many more children like basketball than football? So first we're gonna find basketball right here, and football is right here. So football, there's 3 tally marks, so it means there's 3. And for basketball, there's 4 tallies, so 4 people. It represents 4 people liking basketball. So we have to do 4 minus 3, and that equals 1. So one more person likes basketball than football. Okay, let's do page number 2. Use the graph to answer the questions. Number 1, how many hours of piano does Jay play each week? So first it's asking about Jay. So we found Jay right here. So let's see. Jay has up to 5 hours. Just look down and read the table, and it says 5. And also you could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Jay plays 5 hours of piano each week. Or sometimes these numbers might be different and the pattern might be by 2s, so read carefully. So now for number 2, let's answer number 2. It says, which 2 children play piano for the same number of hours? So we could see that Jay and Leah play the same number of hours. And we already know that Jay plays 5 hours, and it seems like Leah also plays 5 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Jay and Leah both play the same number of hours. So we could write Jay and Leah. Now let's answer question number 5. It says, what is the least number of hours spent playing piano? So we could see by just looking over here which one is the least amount. And it seems like June is the least amount. As you can see, 2 is the smallest number here, and it's not anyone else because 5 is greater than 2. So since it's 2 and that's June, it's asking us what's the least number of hours. We're not going to write their name. We're going to write 2 because they're asking for the number of hours. Okay, now bar graph continued. So let's answer question number 1. It says, how many books does Amy read each week? So we find Amy right here and go all the way up and to the side, and it says 8 books. So Amy reads 8 books each week. Okay, now let's solve number 2. It says, how many books do Leah and June read all together? So Leah is right here, and June is right here too. So we could see that Leah read 6 books. So we would do 6 plus, and June, we could see that she read 9 books. So we would do 6 plus 9 because they asked all together, and all together is a keyword for addition. 6 plus 9 equals 15. So they read 15 books altogether. Number 3, who reads the fewest books? So we could see that the lowest bar graph is the lowest amount of bars is Andy, right here. Andy read 2 books. So it says, who reads the fewest books? It doesn't ask the number of books Andy read. It's asking who. So we will write Andy read the fewest books. Number 4. How many more books does Jay read than Andy? So first we find Jay. Jay reads 5 books, so we would do 5. And then Andy read 2 books. So it says, how many books does Jay read than Andy? So we would do 5 minus 2, since we're comparing them. 5 minus 2 is 3. So Jay reads 3 more books than Andy. Okay. Word problems. Abigail read 4 books on Monday. Then she read 13 more. More is a keyword for addition. On Tuesday. How many did she read in all? So first she read 4 books. Then she read 13 more books, which is a sign for addition. So, and they're asking how many in all, so we would add. So 4 plus 13 is 17. So she read 17 books in all. Now let's solve problem number 3. It says, Ben read 6 books over the summer. Mary read 13 books. How many more books did Mary read than Ben? So Mary read 13 books, and 13 is greater than 6. So all we have to do is 13 minus 6. 13 minus 6 equals 7. So Mary read 7 more books. Okay, that's it for today. Bye.